welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the chords, the piano accompaniment to I Can Sing a Rainbow. I've chosen to do this one based around the key of C, and it will have jazz elements to it. So it's going to be fully jazz tutorial, but it does have a lot of jazzy elements to it. I will obviously sing along, and I will leave in the description where you can find the full chords and lyrics. So let's dive in. Here is middle C as a reference. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. We just start straight in with the verse. I'm going to be voicing the chords, so the inversions of the chords, based on where the chords fall in line with the melody note. So for example, red, the first note, singing note is a C. So I'm going to be playing C major, red, in this inversion, first inversion, because the C forms the top note of the melody chord. So we have C major. You don't have to play in octaves, you can if you want. So C's in the left hand, and in the right hand that's E, G and C. So we have red and yellow. Here we have G major root position, so it's G, B, D. I'm going to play fifth, G and D in my left hand. Red and yellow and then we have C major again, pink and, so the top note this time is an E, so I'm going to play it G, C, E. Pink and green. So on green we have a G, and that's going to form the top voice of the chord of E minor. So E in the left hand, and then B, E, G, second inversion of E minor in the right hand. So far we have red and yellow and pink and green. And the next part we have orange. So F major. F's in the left hand, you can play F and C if you want to. You can just play a single F, it's completely up to you. Orange and, I sing orange and purple, but I think some people sing purple and orange. I'm sorry if I sing it the wrong way around to how you sing it. Orange and, so F, second inversion, C, F, A. Orange and purple and, so we have C's in the left hand, and then root position of C major now. C, E, G, purple and blue. We have D minor here. So D's in the left hand. In the right hand we have F, A, D, first inversion, blue. And then we just sort of have a filler chord of G7. So I'm going to play G and D in the left hand. In the right hand I'm going to play F, G, B, D. You could just play F, B and D if you wanted to. That G isn't completely necessary because we are playing a G in the left hand. So if I join in together what we've done so far. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Then the next bit. So we're going back to C second inversion. I can sing a rainbow. F second inversion, which we've already had. Rainbow. C major root position, which we've already had. Sing a rainbow. So we have F minor now. F's in the left hand, and then A flat, C, first inversion of F minor. Let's do that line again. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow. C second inversion again. Sing a C second inversion again. Then that G7 chord again, what we've already had. Rainbow. And then 2. So the very first chord, C first inversion that we had, 2. And if you wanted to, just before we go into the bridge part, so listen with your eyes, you could just break up as like a little filler. Just break up those notes. So I'm just going to play all of this first verse again from the beginning, and then we'll look at the bridge. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Okay, so in the next part we have listen with your eyes, listen with your ears. So the left hand stays on Fs, in the right hand it's like an F add sharpened fourth. So basically we're going to play C, F and B, and F's in the left hand. Listen with your eyes, and then bring the B into A, so it's just F major, second inversion that we've had before, and then you do that again. Listen with your ears. And then we have a G sus4. So what that means is, in the left hand we're going to play G and D, or G's, G and D, or G's. In the right hand we're going to play C, D, F, and G. And sing every. Then we're going to move the C to a B, and this gives us G7. Thing you see. C and on C major, second inversion, like we've had before. And again, you can do another. You can break up those notes as like a little filler before we go into the next phrase. So if I just play what we've done so far of the bridge. Listen with your eyes, listen with your ears, and sing everything you see. And then I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow. So we have D major, I, again, voicing the notes, voicing the chords with the melody on top. So D major, D's in the left hand, and in the right hand we have first inversion of D major, so that's F sharp, A and D. I can sing a G first inversion, rainbow. So G and D in the left hand, and then B, D, G in the right hand, because we've not had this inversion of G yet. Then we go back to the D chord again, sing a, and then G chord again, rainbow. And then we have a D7 chord. So we've got D's in the left hand, again you don't have to play octaves, D7. So in the right hand we're going to play A, C and F sharp. Won't you sing with? And then we have that G7 sus4 again into G7 like we had previously. So if I just do that again, I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow. Won't you sing with me? So I'm going to play all the bridge together now. Listen with your eyes, listen with your ears, and sing everything you see. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow. Won't you sing with me? And then we're going to go into the verse again, but I'm going to suggest a slightly different ending. I'll give you two ending options. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can end it on the C. And just arpeggiate the C major chord using the notes C, E, G to make it sound finished and pretty at the end. Or we can go slightly more blues jazz and play Sing a Rainbow Too. So there I played A flat major to the A flat in the left hand, and then E flat, A flat, C in the right hand. And then I'm going to change the left hand to D flat. You can play D flat and A flat if you want. And the right hand, so this is a D flat major 7 chord. So F, A flat and C in the right hand. And then you can slide those down to C and G, and then play C, G, and E, G and C in the right hand. Again, that goes Sing a Rainbow Too. You could vary how you sing it as well if you so desired. So I'm going to play the whole thing now. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Listen with your eyes, listen with your ears, and sing everything you see. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow. Won't you sing with me? Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.